What a wonderful country. Look how clean and organized. Looks like a glass city. We will definitely get a better life for our family. First, we need to look for a house because we cannot stay at Airbnb forever.
One bedroom includes hydro will be $2,600. So based on your family size, you need at least 2 bedroom, which will be included hydro is $3,000 approximately.
Why so high? My friend has lived in 2-bedroom apartment since 2010 with $1,500. But why does the same accommodation have 2 rate rents?
We need both persons' employment letter with full contract, pay stub, minimum yearly income of $90,000, and guarantor with the liability for any missing payment. We also need the last month's rent as a deposit. So, by the way, what is your status?
We came Canada as skilled immigrant with permanent residence. We are not working yet.
Sorry, you are not eligible to renting this apartment. So you can look someone for the basement. Maybe the basement don't require those kind of documents.
I heard about social housing in Canada. Can I access social housing? Since I am in a great need.
If you are a refugee claim, protect, PR, and citizen can apply for social housing, and is a huge backlog. International students are not allowed to apply for social housing. Lots of people waiting more than 10 years to access social housing. So there is no chance you will get it the social house immediately.
This basement is very dark, no windows, and very small place, share washroom and kitchen. We 4 have to live in 1-bedroom apartment. This small rat hole rent is $1,500 with utilities.
Don't worry, as soon as we get a job, we will move into an apartment. We both need to work. We need childcare support. But it is very expensive.
We need notice of assessment and employment information to apply for childcare. Since you did not have tax return yet, you cannot apply for childcare subsidy until next year. We have a huge waiting list and you need minimum 25 hours work history or full-time training enrollment papers to eligible for the childcare subsidy.
What about universal childcare?
It will roll out from 2026 but will delay.
So, Rina, you stay home and take care of our children. Let me get a job to meet the family's financial needs.
So sad.
I tried to get a professional job as finance at bank for last 6 months. My savings are shrinking. I will not able to pay my next month's rent. Why are my 15-year foreign experience as banker are not recognized in Canada? I need a job, any shift. Because I force myself to work at a low-wage, precarious, minimum wage job.
Sorry, you do not need to come tomorrow because we have shortage of work.
Last 1 month, I worked with several employers, day, night, weekend, but was unable to earn more than $1,500. How I will pay rent and livelihood expenses? I became poor to poorer in Canada. This is not the life I expect in Canada. Why is the minimum wage job less than living expenses? And why the minimum wage job are not full-time and stable?
Minimum wage calculated based on current inflation, which is the average of all expenses, not only the prime expenses.
But this is not correct. The prime expenses need $25 per hour, which is the living wage. Now I am laid off and work 650 hours. Can I apply for EI?
If you are not working at least 700 hours in a year, you are not eligible for EI, even though you got multiple time laid off before achieving these hours. And EI will pay you only 55% of your income loss.
I laid off multiple times, but not eligible to apply EI. How I will survive? Can I apply for Ontario Works?
Your four members of family members, we will pay you $1,800 in a month for your income loss and reach your savings in the bottom.
Only 1800? My rent and telephone bill is 1800 per month. How I will pay my food and other expenses? Please consider me to get at least 2500 per month, even though I need to cut off lots of my expenses.
Sorry, we follow the benefit benchmark. Nothing can be done for you now.
Honey, I need some money to buy a dress for our daughter. Please give me $50.
Why do you always ask for money? Do you think I have a money tree? Earn money rather than spend.
Why are you yelling at me? Do you think I always sleep at home?
Yes, you do. Go outside. Then you will find how hard it is to earn money.
I earned before and told you not to come to Canada. It's your fault.
Shut up. It's your fault. Get out of my house.
I don't want to live with you.
We are so crowded, there is no space at the shelter. Even though we have space, it is very temporary.
So I have to tolerate him and accept all the realities that there is no systemic support for me.
I am so sick. And my pressure is so high. I need to go hospital. All stress impacts my health.
All hospital emergency is very crowded. You made to wait more than 12 hours to see a doctor. OHIP will cover doctor visit, but you have to buy medicine which is very expensive.
I do not have money to buy food. How I will pay for buy medicine?
No support for you, excluded based on criteria.
No support for you. Excluded based on criteria.
No decent job for you. Cannot increase minimum wage based on living expense. No decent job for you. Cannot increase minimum wage based on your living expenses.
No support for you, excluded from work-related social benefits and other social benefits based on your criteria.
Not enough services. Accept the reality, please.
No coverage for medicine and dental support for workers.
Healthcare, food is my basic needs, but systems are not recognized my fundamental rights.
This is not the Canada I dream for. I want to work and earn money to have a Canadian standard life.
We are in a slum.
Can someone help us?
Where is 911?
Safety net has broken.
And